Premium Water's core values are serving the customer and giving them value. One of the things we immediately noticed with Hartness is that they had kind of the same thing. They were packaging solutions. Once we decided to go to a 900 bottle a minute line, and once we decided to go to offset packaging, we had to go to robotic palletizers to get the speed that we wanted. And then we had to go to Dynex-centric design. The great thing and part of the partnership that we formed with Hartness is that they walked us through that whole process.
Really, the Dynex is doing two things. It's providing accumulation, and that is if you have a downstream process that stops and an upstream process that's still running, the Dynex is absorbing those bottles and allowing the upstream process to continue to run. It's the nature of Dynex to receive bottles in a pressureless configuration. It accumulates them with no pressure, and it discharges them with no pressure. That is unique in this industry.
Premium Waters has done things to reduce the amount of plastic in our bottles, in our caps. We're using a Dynex with a pressureless system in order to make sure we're able to maneuver those bottles without tipping them over, without causing any issues whatsoever.
This plant is producing 30 to 40% more product at the same filler speed than what we were getting in some of our other installations. And we're able to do it with less raw materials, we're able to do it with 40% less energy costs, and we're able to do it with about 1 to 2 less people.
Premium Waters and Hartness have had a great relationship. We believe they are going to be here for the long haul.